Hello everyone, and welcome to this Russell 2000 Futures Index review using SmartTools for SmartLevels. Today's chart is the same size range bar chart as yesterday, and there was news scheduled for release at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, given that we are using this smaller sized range bar chart to trade the SmartLevels, it is easier to find setup bars validated by the SmartLevels with software-generated entry points as close to the levels as possible. These black bars here to the left of the beginning of the chart represent the overnight trading activity. These red bars were the first bars of the day session. This short setup did not trigger. This long setup was too far away from the smart levels, not a trade I was interested in. I was looking for something closer to the level, and I would like to see this blue bar span the actual daily level at 794.20. Anyway, the market got 3/4 of the way towards the first profit target, reversed. This short setup is validated by the smart levels, did not trigger. This short setup is invalidated by the smart levels because the entry is above the daily level. However, this next setup, which I did take, was validated by the smart levels. The setup bar is just touching the daily level. I like this setup a lot. The market went down to reach both profit targets. I actually exited both contracts at the second generated profit target. Given that there's news coming out at 10, I don't like pressing my luck for further trades before the market action gets potentially squirrely. So I show two further setups for your consideration that you could have taken. This setup here is validated by the smart levels and also went down to reach both profit targets. The next trade is validated by the smart levels and is a losing trade. Maybe got halfway to the first profit target before reversing. And then we got very close to the news at this point. The market continued lower down to this day trading level, which, as you can see, seems to be a pivot point for the day. The market is just in a trading range around this day trading level. There's various trades to be taken in here. This is not something that I do. There's some losing trades and some winning trades. I'm going to come back and look at this market later to see if it's broken out of this trading range and has generated some further setups. Well, that's all for today. So long for now.